Speedgate ST01 Assembly and Installation Instruction. During installation, please follow the operational documentation, certificate and operation manual. Product packaging includes 3 cases. Unpack the case with ST01 master section. Installation surface should be prepared in advance, corresponding to the layouts from operation manual, namely, holes should be made. Anchor bolt sleeves should be inserted in them. Cable raceways should be drawn to section's installation places. Lifting the section by its top duct, carefully take it out of the case. Do not lift it by the glass top cover. Work in tandem. Box with spare parts is fixed at the bottom of the case. Please be careful not to damage the stainless steel parts. Accessory kit for the master section includes RC panel, a pack with fixing elements of the section, indication module of the central section, and 2 cover plates of the swing panel. Remove plastic ties from the post top cover. Carefully remove the glass top cover from the post. Carefully put a cover aside, not to damage it. Work in tandem. Draw the connecting cable to installation place. Power cable, cable from emergency passage unlocking device fire alarm, RC panel or ACS controller cable, external devices cables like siren, external indication modules and others. Draw a wire for cable pulling to pull CAN and DC cables in the cable raceways between sections. Take away the post cover plate from the central section. Put it aside so that stainless steel surface is not damaged. Be careful. Work in gloves. Disassemble the front panels of the side posts. There is a connecting cable for the front indication module under one of them. Carefully put all stainless steel panels aside. Do not damage them. Install the section on anchor bolts and carefully draw cables and wire for cable pulling into it. Fix the section by screwing the mounting bolts in anchor bolt sleeves. Use ratchet wrench with joint to tighten the bolts in hard-to-reach places. Check horizontal and vertical positions of installation. If required, adjust the section using the mounting gaskets. Insert the side post front panel without the front indication module back. Check that the front panel is inserted to the uttermost, aligned to the housing. If required, install the card reader under the upper indication module. Draw its connection cable to the top duct. Draw a cable to the front indication module of the side post front panel. Insert the panel back. Please be careful. Do not damage the connecting cable. Check that the panel is inserted to the uttermost, aligned to the housing. Draw a reader's cable under the jumpers in the top duct up to the central post section. Afterwards, draw it down in the central post up to the cable entry along the house wiring. Fix it to the provided self-adhesive cable tie mounts. Unpack the case with ST01S section. Install it following the similar procedure of the first section. Accessory kit for the slave section includes a pack with fixing elements of the section, indication module of the central section, and 2 cover plates of the swing panel. Please be careful during unpacking. Do not damage stainless steel elements. Take the exposed ends of CAN and DC cables out of the slave central post. Cable wires are marked in accordance with the connection layout. Using the wire for CAN and DC cable pulling, draw those cables to the master section. Use the electrical connections layout during the installation. Layout can be found on the sticker under the central panel of the master section and in the operation manual. Connect CAN and DC cables to the control board of the master section in accordance with their marking and connection layout. Unplug adapter plugs from connector blocks X1 and X2. Connect the power cable of the Speedgate to connector block X1, observing the polarity. Connect the RC panel cable or the ACS controller's cable to connector block X2 in accordance with the connection layout. If required, connect the emergency passage unlocking device fire alarm on connector block X2 instead of the jumper. Carefully put the cables inside the central post of the master section. Set switches and jumpers on CLB of the master section in required positions in accordance with operation manual. After all connections are made, place the cover plates of both sections back. Unpack the case with swing panels. Please be careful. Work in tandem. Using the tools and accessory, insert the swing panels into both sections. Do not forget to put plastic fittings under the washers. To fix the fastenings, use the lock washers. Install one of the swing panel's cover plates. First, put the cover plate on the rotating support of the swing panel through the slots in the upper part, and then move it down to the hook in the bottom part of the rotating support. Fix it from the top with 2 bolts from the toolkit. Install the rest swing panel's cover plates following the similar procedure. Install the central indication module on each section and connect it to the corresponding connector. Fix each of the indication modules with 2 bolts from the toolkit. Check the evenness of gaps between the housing panels and, if required, adjust them. Install the section's top cover. Adjust it so that indications on the cover match up with indication module. Check the evenness of gaps between the cover and the housing. Fix the cover if required. Install the cover following the similar procedure of the second section. Fix the covers with the bolts from the box with the tools, 8 pieces for each cover. Speedgate is installed. Switch on the power supply module. Speedgate will test the swing panel's location. Check the Speedgate operation from RC panel and check the accuracy of LED and signal indication. Check the operation technique of the Speedgate for all passageway types. Check the operation of the Speedgate from the emergency passage unlocking device and, if required, the operation of other optional devices. Speedgate is ready for operation.